How's it going? It's Boss Man with Richard Ranch Small Engine Repair. Today, we're going to load test a battery. I charged it, I let it cool off for about 10 minutes. Always let your battery cool off for 10 minutes or longer when you do a load test. In this instance, I didn't take the battery off. I just disconnected the positive and negative cable to where I don't potentially mess anything else up in the electrical system. So, let me get a volt reading on it first. Positive on positive, negative on negative. So I'm reading 12.67 volts. Good battery after charged. All right, let's do a load test. And I'm getting borderline of a dead cell, which meaning it took charge pretty good, and the red hot coils that let you know voltage was flowing through it. So it did take charge, but since I'm getting the borderline reading, that lets me know over time this battery is eventually going to get worse and worse. And on these particular machines, it's a 550 cc EFI single cylinder engine. And for this particular setup, the load normally goes in between 13 volts and 14.5 on MASSIMO's EFI engines. Anything under 13 volts, you're going to start having electrical problems. So on that note, as long as it's 13 volts on up, you are good. Once it drops below, you're steadily going to decline. This is a MASSIMO T-Boss 550. It's a single cylinder liquid cooled EFI engine. Actually pretty neat. It's really rugged. Has a 3,000 pound capacity winch, front and rear cameras, full digital display with a 10-inch screen. The bed will carry up to a 300 pound load capacity, and it has a towing capability of 1,200 pounds. A 33 horsepower engine that you'll get the max 50 miles an hour out of. Not bad. So, most important of all, it's American made. I'm Rogers with Richard Ranch Small Engine Repair. I'll leave affiliate links in the description. I do make a small commission, which helps out the channel. Like, subscribe, follow me on Facebook. And hey, if you have a question, leave them in the comments. I'll get to them as soon as I can. God loves you. He wants you to prosper. Now go be blessed.